you're multiplying and dividing integers, it is very much to what you're used to. Here we have -5 times -2. Now if we had done that with positive, it would have been 5 times 2, or what you're used to seeing it was with the x, 5 times 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. That's a positive times a positive is a positive. So it's similar to here because the 5 times 2 is still 10. However, the minus and a minus, you can't just ignore them. So you could have the opposite of a negative. You can either write them down side by side, opposite of a negative, or in your head, you know the opposite of a negative is a positive. So here your answer is positive 10. Another way of remembering that, a little trick, is if you've got a triangle, anytime you have two negatives, you're going to end up with a positive. So a negative times a negative, you cover them up and you end up with a positive. This only works for multiplication and division. So make sure if you use the triangle, make sure you put the MD inside of it. Now it works with the same thing as division. So here we have positive 10 divided by -5. Remember our fraction bar is a division. So we have the same number, positive 10. Here it's the product, here it's the quotient, it's the total that's being divided. We're dividing it by -5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. And here we have a positive and a negative. So we've got one negative left here, because you could write it a positive and a -2, but remember we don't need the positive sign, so you can get rid of that. Or you can use a positive and a negative, you cover those up, and what you have left is your negative, so your answer is negative.